Yeah, so it's because people don't do things consistently enough. So I did an analysis of comparing data from all the weight loss drugs, all the food supplements sold, all the weight loss diets, all the different gym memberships, all the like fat farms or weight loss centers that people go to. Take all the revenue those different companies and industries have generated, add them all up, and you're talking billions and billions of dollars. Collectively, they combined, all this stuff combined has had zero impact on obesity rates in the United States. So you still hear people saying, oh, there's this new product and it helps. And what people are missing out is something called context. So if a company creates a weight loss substance, whether it's a drug or a supplement, it does not work for 100% of the population. Many times it may work for only like 15% of the population, but they publish the data in a way where it appears very favorable to their position in the marketplace. So there's a financial bias for them to make sure the study shows a result. That product then gets into the marketplace. When we study people in what they call field settings, I study average people living at home, so they're not like a prisoner in a research study where everything is controlled. What you find is half the people taking weight loss products, they actually have a paradoxical effect, meaning they're taking a product to lose weight, but it actually stimulates weight gain because it's something they didn't really need. And as they take it, their body tries to compensate and counter the effects of the product, making them gain more weight. If the answers to losing weight is one, ideally you would know details about your genetics because you would find out stuff like for some people, pedaling a bicycle may be easier to lose weight for them than running. Other people running, it may be easier to lose weight than pedaling a bicycle. And for other people, they may respond better lifting weights. So that we have these genetic predispositions where if we follow along, those modalities of exercise will be easier for us. It doesn't mean that's the only thing we have to do, but it just means, hey, we'll get faster results with less effort. Then on top of that, understanding the organisms in our digestive tract, the microbiome, a single organism can affect 110 genes in our body. So you could be eating all the iceberg lettuce you want and still get fatter simply because organisms in your body are taking the cellulose, which is an indigestible fiber under normal conditions, and converting that fiber into glucose. So you're like, hey, I'm hardly eating anything. Why am I not losing weight? And it's because the fiber is being converted into sugar. That excess sugar is going to fat cells and keeping the fat gain process going. And so following up with other things about sleep. So making sure you get enough sleep. The majority of people are sleep deprived. Making sure you get enough movement. The majority of people don't move enough. And then making sure you're addressing issues with genetics and microbiome. That would be a really easier way to get the results that you're looking for. And it won't matter the latest fad or what everybody else is doing because you'll be doing the things that are specifically correct for yourself.